know it ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be.
Good morning, you guys. So right now it is currently 8:45. I slept in, which felt amazing. I have my chai tea that says aloha, something I don't know how to say in Hawaiian. My mom found me this really pretty flower, but I wanted to have you guys control my life. Right now we are currently walking down to the beach. I got my backpack for my homework, and my chai latte. I feel like a little businesswoman. Right now I was in the middle of doing my homework on the beach and it started to look like really cloudy and really gross, and now it's raining, so I'm gonna do my homework inside now. That's great, but that's about it. Hey guys, so I'm currently going to walk up back to the room and we're going to go to Puka, which is like this really great hot dog place here in Hawaii, and we're going to go there for lunch, just spend some time because we're leaving tomorrow, which is literally the saddest time of my life. And yeah. So I'm going to, it kind of rained, like look at that. It rained really, really hard, and it was like getting over my iPad and stuff for school, so I was really, really worried that it was gonna get ruined, but it wasn't, which is really, really nice. But oh my god, guys, look at my bracelets today. It was yellow. Tomorrow hopefully it's gonna be orange, and then I'll have every color, and I'm really excited. So that's what it. Got the room key and my lanyard, which has like my money, my permit, and my school ID, but got my lanyard because I really want to buy a keychain for my lanyard from Hawaii, of course, which I might do when we go to Puka. Yeah, I might, but yeah, I'm walking to the room right now and I'm gonna drop off my backpack. And yes, I just want to say I really hope you guys are enjoying this, or like these vlogs, because I'm enjoying them, and I really hope you guys are, because I'm leaving tomorrow night, but my experience here has been absolutely crazy, so I really hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs so far. Let's do a taste test.
Yeah, of course you do.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
It's so sweet.
Yeah.
The Hawaiian mustard is sweet but really good.
I have to go out there. Are you done?
Hey guys, so I got ready for dinner. My hair's in this giant braid back here, but I'm wearing this dress from Old Navy with my Birkenstocks again, but I'm wearing this really light dress. My mom is wearing this. Okay guys, I've never had this problem of having too many Instagram photos to post. I've never had this ever, and I don't know what to post. I'm getting the really fuzzy jacket that I'm gonna post on, I think, Saturday now. Yeah, because I have this swimming photo that I'm gonna post tomorrow, and then on Friday I think I'm actually gonna post the fuzzy jacket one. Yeah, I think so. I don't really know. I have like everything planned out so far, but yeah. Let me see. Guys, this giant flower in my hair. No. Really? If you could try to fit it and not ruin my hair. Bye.